Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable auto backup of voice recordings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accounts and backup. In here, go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. Next, we go down and tap on voice recordings. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Tap on it to turn it off. Now, if you need to backup immediately, you can tap on the backup now. Otherwise, just wait for your phone to periodically perform a backup. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.